Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we have a sponsored video of Sherpermean. I cannot believe it. This is the first time I get a sponsorship, and it's the brand Sherpermean. I had tried so many items from them, so as soon as they reached out I was so excited to say yes, because I know the brand and I really like the products. And I'm not gonna bore you with the details. All the information that you need is going to be down there in the description box. They also were so nice to give me a discount code for you guys. So that is going to be also in the description box. It's going to be a link. It's going to be a discount code. And it's going to be all the information of the products that you see in this video. And without further ado, let's dive into this video. Here we have the first two items that I want to show you right now. They are so comfortable. I feel so cozy and nice. These bras. Let's talk about these bras first. They are the most comfortable bras I ever had tried. They are full cup. They cover everything. And the cups they have, the padding is not removable, so you won't lose them. I hate those. I always forget where they are. I start mixing one type of bra with another one because I don't remember which one came with which. But these ones, you won't have that problem because they are not removable and they are completely soft and comfortable. I love the shape of it. It comes with like a little V shape here. It's not like completely round or flat in here. And they are super comfortable, stretchy, no itchy or anything like that. They're super soft. I feel like I don't have anything, which is a super good thing for being comfortable at home or even to go out. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, this is the type of bra that I like to wear all the time because I love to be comfortable. I don't like to feel like I'm suffocating, all those wires here punching me or anything like that. If I haven't said it, these don't have a wire, so they just push your body, you press up without wires. And here we have them. They're super pretty though, comfortable. As you see, they have a kind of like banding here that it will help to keep your breast up, and super cute. This material is super soft and comfortable and very stretchy, very comfortable. And they are like a normal bra, so they have the hooks. You don't have to put it through your head or anything like that. And it also comes with extensions basically. So if they are too tight for you or anything like that and you need more space on them, you have these guys right here. And look at the cup. It's super well made. These bras are stunning. Go with the size chart. They will definitely help you to figure out which size is the best for you. And the next item is these biker shorts, high-waisted. They are super stretchy too, super comfortable. I love that they come like in the middle of your leg. They're not super long, not super short, and they are super comfortable. I like that the material is not see-through whatsoever, so it's not like somebody's gonna look at you and see your panties or anything like that. I definitely like these ones a lot because they are not only just biker shorts, which is already amazing. I love the shape that they have and how they feel, but they also will snatch your stomach and your waist and make you look super stunning. And I wanted to show you these biker shorts have all the features of a regular garment from Sherpermean. Look, they have this area right here to help the biker shorts to get high-waisted and not move out of their place. And look, they are very thick material. These ones are large. I forgot to mention that. Here are the ties, regular, like a regular shorts. I don't think you can go wrong with this item at all. It is super nice. Actually, this outfit that I just showed you, the bra and these biker shorts, are probably my favorite two items so far. So this is an idea how you could dress this as a regular clothing, because it is a regular clothing, just in this case it has a weapon which it goes completely up. So this is a shirt. I just stuck it in here, but it goes completely down, so you can wear tennis shoes or you can wear a jacket also, or an actual crop top. I just don't have one here, even though I have a bunch of clothing next to me. But this is definitely something very nice. You can wear it completely down if you want to, if that crop idea is not your game. So definitely just wear like this, and tennis shoes and a jacket for fall. This item right here is a perfect sample why you should always go with your size chart, and they will give you the best recommendation for you. This one right here is an extra large, extra large. So it is big. It sounds like big. Don't worry about the size. Wear whatever it fits you. If it is a small, extra small, medium large, extra large, XXX large, doesn't matter. Whatever fits you, fits you. I am sizes small in one sizes, in one brands. I'm a size large in others. That doesn't matter. So these ones right here are the high-waisted shaper shorts, which are one of my favorite items from them. I just don't know how to tell you, like, I like this one better than this one better than this one. I like all of them. They're very comfortable. That's why you have heard me talking so much about this brand in my channel lately. I really enjoy the products, and that's why I love to keep working with them. But definitely this one is one of my favorite ones for wearing under any type of clothing, because they are so seamless, so smoothing, so nice. They feel so comfortable in the stomach. It doesn't make you feel pain or hurt or anything like that. So definitely for those women who just have babies, those ones who have problems with their abdominal muscles or anything like that, this won't cause any pain. It won't cause any wrinkles in the skin. I really like how this product shapes my body and how it makes me feel. It ties out my stomach, and it makes my thighs and my back, my booty, smooth because I have bumps in it. That's normal. That's natural for any woman's body. And I don't want that to show in my dresses. For why? If I had things like this to help me up. So I wear that for that. I know my body shape doesn't need too much of a tiniest part of it, but I definitely feel more comfortable with this. I definitely smooth everything else. As you see, I had dents in my body. It's normal. So I like to smooth it, and this is a perfect garment for that. And this is the bag. I love how it looks like. I love that it molds your butt. It has a line right there, as you see, but that one doesn't actually interrupt with the shape of your booty. So don't worry about that. And here we go. This is the kind of clothing that I love to wear all the time, especially in fall, because it's not that hot anymore. You can wear a jacket and, again, tennis shoes or a sandal with this outfit right here. As you see, this material is very, very thin, like super thin. Look, you can see my finger, and you don't see my nipples. You don't see the bra. You don't see anything. I'm wearing the same bra. I haven't removed it at all. And I have the garment under here. As you see, it doesn't show. You can see a little bit here because this garment is literally so transparent. This one that you can see anything, and that's why I never wear anything like this without a garment under. And this shepherd mink is the best one because it's the thinnest one, and it's the lightest one, and it's the one that it makes you feel the most comfortable in general. Yeah, very, very smooth. You don't have to worry too much about it. And as you see, it doesn't show that much here that you have a garment. You just show a little bit in the thighs because this material is too thin. But excuse me, if you really look for it, because otherwise you won't notice. It's just comfortable. I remember last time that I showed you shepherd mink, I tried these leggings right here, the high-waisted leggings, but I got them in size medium, and that was a disaster. It was too tight in my legs and too loose in my stomach. These ones are size large. I wanted to try a bigger size because definitely one of the issues was that my thighs were too tight, and it was actually kind of like hurting. That's not good. You don't want to cut your circulation. You want to be comfortable and also shape. And I'm happy to announce you the large, even though it's a bigger size and it doesn't provide that much tightness to my stomach, it's a much better fit for me. I love this right here. It's just perfect for me to go out and about. It is so comfortable. I like how it looks like. I like that it kind of like gives me some support in my stomach, even though it's not shaping it, because again, it's a personal issue with my thighs. They're very, very thick, and my stomach is a little more flat. But again, if you have any issues with the sizes, if you don't get to kind of like make your mind out of it, the customer service will help you. But the system itself is very, very good at helping you to figure out your size. So I knew it was a problem for me with this garment specifically to find my size, because I am kind of like between medium and large. But out of the two sizes, the larger is better. And this is how my bump looks in here. Super sparky and cute, which is beautiful. I don't look like this in any other leggings because they don't provide any pressure to my butt area, and they look a little more saggy. So this is good. I'm a little in love with this bra. I don't know, guys, but if you can take anything out of this video, go check out this bra. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope that this video was entertaining for you, and if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to check down there in the description all the information about Sherpermin, the link that I have for you to check all the products, and also the discount code. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.